In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize tables in Microsoft Word to enhance your document's visual appeal and organization. It's a simple yet impactful way to make your tables stand out. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. If you don't have one handy, feel free to create a new document to follow along. Once your document is open, we're going to head over to the Layout tab, which can be found at the top of your Word interface. Once you click on Layout, look for the Table option in the toolbar. This is where you can easily insert a new table into your document. Now select the option to create a table with 3 columns. This is a standard layout that's both versatile and easy to work with. After creating the table, you'll notice that you're automatically redirected to the Table Design tab. This tab is your go-to spot for table customization, offering a wide range of formatting options. To give your table a sleek and modern look, we're going to make some changes to the borders. First, click on Borders in the toolbar. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you multiple border options. From here, choose to remove the left and right borders of your table. This step helps give the table a cleaner appearance, leaving only the lines that truly matter. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always return to this menu to adjust the borders as needed. Next, let's add some color to our table using the Border Painter tool. This tool allows you to apply color to your table's lines, making your document more engaging and easier on the eyes. First, select the Border Painter option. With this tool, we're going to paint the first and fourth lines in red. This color choice helps draw attention to the key elements of your table, framing essential information at the top and bottom. Conversely, paint the second and third lines in blue. Using contrasting colors not only adds visual interest, but also helps differentiate various sections within your table. And there you have it. Your customized table is now complete. These simple adjustments make your information clearer and more visually appealing, improving the readability of your entire document. Remember, you can always return to these tools to further tweak and modify your table as fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your next Word project.